Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mars in the 7th house. Mars in the 7th house. Argumentative. Personalities. Individualism. Criticize. Legal trouble. Early marriage. Spouse dominates. Divorce. You have an unlucky marriage. You don't have love. Happy marriage. You are not suitable for your spouse. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Go to the website astro5s.com and follow these instructions.